Wow, it's a lot of snow. Ooh. Hello guys, storm today. I'm the only one left here working. Look at my car. Oh man, too much snow. This is my workplace. Nobody's here. Huh. And time to clean the car. Go. It's open. Ooh. Welcome to Canada. Oh, this is how you do it after work. I have an extended scraper here. Let's see, too much snow. It's like 6 inches of snow. You have to clean your headlight for your safety. So man, I just finished cleaning my car, and so far it's clean, but the problem, if I can get out here in the parking because of this snow here, wish me luck. Oh, too much snow. Oh, this is life in Canada. I chose it, but I love it. So wish me luck so I can go home safe and sound. Storm today. I'll see you later guys.